Hi, it's Michelle Tam of Nom Nom Paleo, and today I'm going to show you how to make something super easy and delicious in your Instant Pot, my pressure cooker summer Italian chicken. You don't have to be afraid of your Instant Pot, it is your friend. I'm just turning on the saute function as it heats up the insert so that you can use it to saute things. And this way you don't have to dirty more than one pan. So as soon as the insert is hot, you can add about a tablespoon of your favorite high temperature cooking oil. And then once that's in there, you can put in all your vegetables. So I've got some mushrooms in here, I've got some carrots and some onions. You just dump it all in. I'm gonna add a sprinkle of salt. Once your vegetables are softened in here, add your tomato paste and your smashed cloves of garlic. And so you stir it around, and as soon as it's fragrant, then you can dump in the rest of your other ingredients. So I have about 2.5 pounds of chicken. I'm gonna put in some cherry tomatoes, whole. You don't have to cut them because who has time? Then I have some Castelveltrano olives, which are my favorite. These are super buttery, they're not briny, they're amazing. And you just give everything a good stir, and you don't add any extra liquid. The chicken will release liquid, the cherry tomatoes will break down and release liquid, and you'll see after this is done that there will be plenty of liquid to bring it up to high pressure. So now all you do is you just switch your pressure cooker. I'm gonna do 10 minutes on this because these are boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And once it is at high pressure, this little silver indicator actually locks the whole system so you can't open it. So it's completely safe. See, boop, and then all the steam stops coming out because it's sealed and closed. Now that everything's in here, I can just go and watch TV or hang out with my kids. You can just walk away. So while you're waiting, you can prepare your herbs. And the way I cut my basil, stack them all up and you roll it up in a tight little cigar. Grab your knife, discard the end, and you have nice little ribbons. It's all ready. Everything is still at high pressure, but you need to release it manually. So all this steam is gonna come up. So you're either gonna do it under your stovetop hood, which I recommend because it sucks everything up, or you just find a clear area that's not under any cabinets. Turn on my vent, and then I de-vent it right here. The silver indicator has dropped, so you know that the pressure has dropped, and so it's safe to open. So the only thing missing is some fresh herbs. So I've got some basil that I've already cut up, and then I'm gonna chop up some Italian parsley as well. And half of this I'm gonna put in the stew, and the other half I'm gonna put on top. There's really no measured amount. It's how much you like. So I just ladle it up. I serve it over cauliflower rice, over zoodles, whatever you have. And voila, there you have it, my pressure cooker summer Italian chicken. And this will be your favorite weeknight dinner.